Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze rows in Excel. Freezing rows in Excel is super helpful when you want to keep specific rows visible when you scroll through the rest of your data. This is especially useful for keeping headers in view. So let's start the video. First, open up Excel file. Here I have a sample spreadsheet containing employee data. Now to freeze top row in Excel, click on the View tab in the Excel ribbon. Next, click on the Freeze Panes button in the window group. And then select Freeze Top Row from the menu. So click on it. Now as you scroll down, you will see that the top row remains in place. This is perfect for keeping your headers visible while you navigate through your data. Now what if you want to freeze more than just the top row? Let's say we want to freeze the top 3 rows. So here's how to do it. First, click on the row number just below the last row you want to freeze. In this case, click on row number 4. Next, go back to the View tab. Then again click on Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes from the menu. Now the top 3 rows are frozen. You can see the gray line indicating that the rows above these lines are frozen. You can scroll through the rest of your data while keeping these rows visible. So that's how to freeze single or multiple rows in Excel. Thanks for watching.